It's a little snowy. Yeah, a little slick. Snowed, rained, and then it froze. So it's a little slick. Some of the spots coming up the Woodhull Road are not so friendly. So we chained her up. Yeah, put her in 6-wheel drive. You know. There's our tree. We're gonna go back cut first. Yeah, look at that beauty. It's kind of windy. folks. Lost my hard hat. Boy, that wedge banger sure works good. Wow. That is a dandy. A dandy. Woo, it's chilly this morning. Really chilly. Compression first. See now both ends for a little bit are off the ground. See, that one will be off the ground clear till I get up there to the top of it, right? So there's more to, I don't know, I guess it depends on how much more comfortable it is to make cutting by small decisions such as that. It makes a pretty big difference for me. You see, that's off the ground for a little ways, and then we only got that little butt chunk. See, it's not much to have to deal with, and I can roll that log if I need to. Rallying down the road in the snow. I love snow. I love winter. The only thing about it I don't like so much is I can't make it to the wood hole. But it'll give me time to go through all my saws, make sure everything's good to go. If we can't make it back up, we might be able to make it back up one more time. I just wanted to come on here real quick and thank everybody for all the support and all the feedback. People getting in the comments, new subscribers coming in. I love it. Absolutely love it. A lot of great things going on in the community right now. A lot of people starting up channels, a lot of people with channels that have had channels for a while, getting them rolling again and getting into it. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope that some of the things that I'm doing and showing and that I'm doing, I hope people don't get the wrong idea about it. I'm not like, hey, look at me, watch me fall trees. No, that's not really what it's about. It's not what it's about at all. What it's about for me is I know that there's a lot of people out there that have fallen trees before, and that fall trees, the log and whatever, and if they see my video, it's like, oh my gosh, what's this guy doing? Well, it's not, you know, it's not really. I mean, if people want to sit and enjoy the falling of trees and the cutting and the chainsaws and the axes and laughter and all, and whatever, for whatever reason you decide to push play on one of my videos, I want to try to help people that haven't fallen trees and that haven't cut a lot of wood, that want to cut wood but don't really, you know, I mean, it's like a lot of people use YouTube for a lot of different things. I use YouTube if I have a problem with a vehicle. I type in the diagnosis and hit search, and a lot of times YouTube video pops up and I'll watch a YouTube video. Some people I can understand, some people I can't. There's lots of people that fall trees. There's lots of people that work on cars. Find somebody. I'm finding that there are only certain people that make it easier to learn. You know what I mean? Somebody out there speaks my language that I can understand better than someone that's like super technical about every little thing. I don't jive with that, I guess you could say. I don't know how to explain my type of learning, but a lot of my stuff is like hands-on. And if I could see somebody, you know, like working on a car, what hoses they have to move and what bolts they have to take out and those kinds of things. I don't need to know so much, you know, what size it is or in how long of an extension, you know, those types of things. The technical parts of it, how long is the bolt? And I don't need to know that stuff. And I think, and I'm like I said, I'm finding that I am speaking someone else's language out there, and they understand me. They understand my process, my system, and people are learning for it. And people, whether they want to run chainsaws or not, some are learning, and some just enjoy watching. You know what I mean? So I hope that it's helping someone out there, whether, you know, like I said, whether it's for axes or chainsaws or just driving around and talking to the camera and saying hello, because every one of my subscribers, all my subscribers found something that interested them enough to push the play button and to like, possibly subscribe. And I love it. I love seeing new people come in. I love seeing the comments from from the True Blues, everybody that comes here just to enjoy and have a peaceful place to come, where it's not a bunch of ranting and a bunch of other business that, you know, that's not what this channel is for. Not at all. Am I perfect? No. Is anyone perfect? No. No. So, anyway, thanks for joining me on that. And sorry about the GoPro falling off my head. But we got the good part done anyway, right? Yeah. Sure glad I had the other camera. Thanks to the subscriber that sent me this GoPro. Because for reasons like that, things like that, it makes it, you know, because I've got it on the other, because, well, as you know, you saw it. So from the other camera, from another angle. So anyway, I'll stop rambling and I'll get to driving. All right, love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. Go check out Goats Firewood and Farms. Jay Ferris 306. Travis 307. Joe Casterman 2. Go check them out. Johnny Arnett's Ways. Go check them out. Let's see, who else can I throw in there today? JK Saw Shop. Building good saws. Hope to get the 390 out and run it some more. Thanks, Scott Wilson. We'll be working on the Scott rod P51, super modified. We'll be working on that. We'll wait for a nice rainy day and sit, kick back in the saw shack and drink coffee. Work on a Pioneer. Butler Outdoors Canada. Go check them out for sure. The old Bushman. Go give the old Bushman some love, some support. Of course, the Iron Horse, Bellhopper. Go over to Bellhopper. We're trying to get Bellhopper to 10,000 subscribers. So, all right, everybody, rock on. There's a sight, huh? On the left, that's a hick stick. That's the axe I put together that Josh from Hicks Hickory sent me. Beautiful handle. The middle one is Casterman Classic that Casterman did for me, that has one of my dad's old axe heads on it. And the one on the right is the Bucking wedge banger handle that I just put together. That's a dandy. It works pretty darn good.